Hi, welcome back to Grains and Small Places. I'm Haley, and today we're gonna make some cranberry dog treats. Alright, and first we're gonna mill some einkorn grain, and now we're gonna add some dried cranberries. Make sure not to use raisins. You don't want to use raisins, and use dried cranberries instead. Now add 1 cup of rolled oats, stir those dry ingredients, and then we're gonna add 3 eggs. And stir when those are added in. Here's a cute story. My dogs absolutely love cookies. They go absolutely nuts for them. You say the word and they're like, huh? Huh? Yes, I would totally like one of those. And right about here, we're noticing that it's a little bit dry, so I go ahead and add a 4th egg, and that seemed to do the trick for me. I'm gonna start kneading and playing with the dough now. Actually, I don't really enjoy kneading the dough. It gets all over my hands and is really sticky, and I don't know if I'm a big fan of that, the texture, but it is really firm dough. Now you can get a mixer out. I just didn't want to. I was too lazy. You are going to want to preheat your ovens to 350 degrees and cook them to about 20 to 22 minutes. Now, this may vary depending on the size of your oven, but we just have a really small toaster oven. The reason we use einkorn is because it is really high in nutritional value, and also it is the easiest wheat for dogs to digest. And I'm going to go ahead and roll them out now. And these ones on this tray I'm going to make a little bit bigger because this is my dog Nashville's tray. He loves his cookies. Oh my goodness. You should see the face he gives me whenever I'm making them or I say the word cookie. I have to start spelling it out because he knows what they are now. Trust me, your dogs will love these cookies. You have to try them. And we're going to put them in the first tray. And now we're going to do cannoli and peanuts tray. These are going to be a little bit smaller because they're cannoli and peanuts. These are the mini cookies, I suppose. If you were going to buy cookies at the store for yourself, and then you want to get the mini ones for your little kid. I feel like those would be the size of cookies that these would be. And the cookies, the recipe will make about maybe 25 to 30 cookies. Now this is going to make a little bit more because these cookies are quite small. As you can see, it filled way more of the tray than it did the big cookies. And that's alright. Nash can eat the small ones. The little ones can break it in half and share the big ones. And that's fine too. This is just what I like to do because it's cute. And if you're interested, I'll go ahead and link the recipe down below in the description. Now, these are good for about 3 days left, in room temperature. I actually like to freeze mine, and they are good for about 3 to 4 months. Funny story, we actually used to keep these out in a bag for days, and then they actually molded, and I was like, oh no, I don't want them to mold. And that is why we ultimately freeze them. We will let them cool down, and then it's on to the cookie test. Okay. The flavors are melting on their tongues. Delicious. 10 out of 10 from each pup. Thanks for letting me take over the channel today. Please give me a like and maybe subscribe. And if you're interested in the recipe, you can find it linked down below. Thanks for stopping by at Grains and Small Places. Goodbye!
Just go.
Thanks for letting me steal you guys' channel, but if you guys did enjoy and you want to make these cookies, link description down below. We have a whole website over there. Pretty cool. But yeah, goodbye.